Little trick, a little trick DIY is when you're putting up pulleys and you don't want to break your stride or break your rhythm, but you need to check that you're not growing up your wall to your other wall that you're going off. So a good way of checking it is just put in your clips like that and just check it. That's all lovely, so I can carry on up without stopping and changing and doing my cuts. I can then now do them all at once I've put in the pulleys. Otherwise, when you break your stride all the time, you lose time. And it's quite important. I don't have to worry about directional trowel. There's no water on this wall. I don't have to worry about it. But yes, instead of breaking your stride and stopping and doing cuts, keep doing as much as you can, same rhythm. Whooshka. Lovely bubbly. Slap those in. Clip it up. Clip it up, Chuck. Nice. I reckon any DIY can do it if he follows the basic rules to tiling, and you won't get into trouble and you're home and hose. Look at that. Ah, man, bloody beautiful. I'm going to be using a misty grey grout. Wall and floor. Oh, look at that. Forgot my clips. You dick. You forgot your clips. Da, 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 da. And then once I've done this row, I can then do my cuts because out of a full tile, that piece and that piece. So I cut all them, and my leftover piece I'm able to scribe cut, which it's all pretty good. Because this place is fairly well built. Like everything is plumb and straight. Well, fairly. Some houses you wonder if they ever did use a level. Because they're that far out of plumb. Give it a good whack. Slap those clips in. A little bit of glue holds them there nicely. And you're good to go. Grab your wedges. Start at one end. That feels good. See that? Yeah. Move that along. Flip it up. All tiptoes. Stepping all over my level. There's my rubber hammer. Lost it. Don't know. Cool. That's it from Chris O. We'll see you soon.